most powerful superheroes assemble for an all-new Lego movie. And things are going from strange
Are you twins?
to bizarro.
The LexCorp duplicator ray that created you, but why?
Bizarro show you.
I'm world's worst detective.
Blah, 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 blah.
I can break for you.
Pretty princess.
The Justice League has a whole new team to take on the ultimate villain.
Darkseid? He's just the most dangerous force in the universe. We can help you against Darkseid. Whoa. Watch out for Darkseid's Omega Beams.
What are Omega Beams?
Those are Omega Beams.
Got it. That's what I'm talking about.
She is a dog of war.
Then why is my guy such a pussycat?
Lego Justice League versus Bizarro League.